Here in my garage, just got this new Fiesta here. Fun to drive around town. But you want to know what I love more than Fiestas? Clothes. Actually, I'm more proud of the washer and dryer that I had to install to hold my 2,000 new clothes that I just bought. It's like the YouTuber Marcus Sharp says, invest in yourself to see the best in yourself. So the way I look at it is, if you go around and buy yourself some clothes, you'll have more knowledge of how to dress, more knowledge of how to maybe go out and get some Lamborghinis. Alright guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I'm so happy I finally got my car. I love it. It's so much fun. I will do a more like detailed video where I go over like everything of the car probably sometime next week. But yeah, so I hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, be sure to leave this video a like, also comment down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Fight!